Hello mates, yesterday we had an event with the retro cars in my town and many people were asking me, making me questions why my bus is taking so long to be restored. I'm gonna try to explain somehow to many people that have no clue why it's taking so long. Come and take a look what I mean. As you know, this is the bus. It looks nice, it looks okay on the picture, but if you take a look like this, there are some warping in here. It's not totally right. In here is a metal patch, and the guy who sold it, he never waited for the metal to be cold, so it's wrapped in here and in here and in here. I had to fill it up with a body filler just for the eye, but not for the hand. And in here need a little bit of work and blah blah blah. So I have this panel all in one. I have also this one all in one. I have both of sides, and in here I have another panel in here, the full panel, but the door doesn't need anything. The door is okay. I'm waiting to find somebody able to weld everything back to the bus without making me wasting once more time on filling and blah blah. I need somebody to do it properly. I don't have a rust actually. It just damage. See, it's like here it goes. It's like empty. It goes like this. It goes inside and comes out. And same in here. So. And this is the bus under. This is not a rust, this is a color coming down. See, it's coming down. It's not a rust, and I can see the original color. I don't know if you can see. You can see the original color. I will sandblast it, all of it, and we'll use the new panel I have. That's why I don't want to paint it. I don't want to hide the problems. I don't know. Some people say it's okay, you can drive. You can just fill them up with a filler. They will be hidden perfectly and you can drive like new. But I have the feeling I really need to do properly. In case I sell the bus, I just need the guy who will buy it not to have this kind of surprise like this. It was a hole, not really a hole, but damage, and it was filled with a body filler, with a bondo, and here too. Also, in here too. I will suck it out, and it will be okay. So this is why my bus is not being painted yet. But this summer, I will try my best to find somebody, or I will learn myself to weld properly and will finish it properly. I hope so. You never know what happens, but everything else is okay. Everything else is okay. No rust in here. I already patched them myself. I know how to solder a little bit. Here I need to remove a little bit of the skin. I try to do myself this piece, one piece in here. It's still visible. It's not perfect. I will sandblast it again. I will do it properly. This bus, I think this bus is gonna stay in family. I'm gonna get buried with this bus when I die. But there are two others I will restore in the future, just at least to make money, the money to pay this off. Now I'm gonna drive, and it's Sunday. I will get a little bit of spirit of this car inside my mind. It makes me happy when I drive it, and when I park it in here, I feel different. I'm another person. So let's make a test now.